Welcome to the Bare Metal Cyber Security Plus podcast. This series helps you prepare for the CompTIA Security Plus exam with focused explanations and practical context. For a companion study guide, check out the Achieve CompTIA Security Plus 701 Exam Success by Dr. Jason Edwards. It is the most concise and complete Security Plus guide on the market, built for busy professionals who want to pass the exam fast and on their first try. You can find this book and others at cyberauthor.me. In this episode, we're exploring advanced secure access solutions that address the challenges of modern enterprise connectivity. As organizations expand across cloud environments, branch offices, and remote workforces, secure access must scale without sacrificing performance or visibility. Today, we'll focus on software-defined wide area networks, secure access service edge, and the practical security considerations that come with deploying these technologies. Let's start with software-defined wide area networks, better known as SD-WAN. SD-WAN replaces traditional wide area network connections such as dedicated circuits or multi-protocol label switching with software-driven routing across internet-based links. It allows organizations to manage traffic dynamically across branch offices, data centers, and cloud services using centralized policies and real-time analytics. The primary benefit of SD-WAN is flexibility. Instead of relying on static routes and expensive private links, traffic is routed intelligently based on application type, network conditions, or security policies. This leads to better performance, lower costs, and improved user experience. But SD-WAN also introduces security enhancements. It supports end-to-end encryption, segmentation of traffic between business units, and built-in firewalls at the edge. With centralized control, administrators can push out security policies across all connected sites quickly and uniformly. Many SD-WAN platforms also integrate with secure web gateways or cloud-based threat intelligence to detect and block suspicious activity at the edge. Compared to traditional WANs, SD-WAN simplifies security management. Legacy WAN architectures often required individual firewalls, manual routing configurations, and limited visibility between sites. SD-WAN unifies control and allows for fine-grained policies, such as only allowing a branch office to access specific applications while blocking all other internet access unless filtered. Deployment scenarios include retail chains with dozens of locations, global companies with hybrid cloud connectivity, and organizations moving away from legacy VPNs. In each case, SD-WAN reduces the complexity of managing network security and improves agility during scaling or incident response. Now let's turn to Secure Access Service Edge, also known as SASE. This architecture combines network and security services into a single, cloud-delivered framework. While SD-WAN focuses on connectivity, SASE integrates that connectivity with identity-based security controls. It delivers firewall as a service, secure web gateways, cloud access security brokers, data loss prevention, and zero-trust network access, usually from points of presence distributed around the world. With SASE, users connect to the nearest SASE node, whether they're in the office, on the road, or at home. That node enforces security policy, inspects traffic, and routes it to the appropriate cloud service or internal resource. This eliminates the need to backhaul all traffic to a central data center for inspection, improving both performance and scalability. Security benefits of SASE include consistent enforcement of access policies, reduced attack surface, and deep visibility across user activity. It also enables zero-trust principles. Instead of granting full network access based on location, users are granted access to specific applications based on identity, device posture, and real-time risk. Use cases for SASE include supporting secure remote work, protecting software as a service access, and simplifying branch office deployments. Organizations that adopt SASE can reduce reliance on traditional VPNs, avoid performance bottlenecks, and move toward a model where identity and context drive access decisions. For example, a multinational company replaced its aging VPN infrastructure with a SASE platform. Employees in every country logged into the nearest SASE node, where identity verification, data loss prevention, and malware scanning were performed. Sensitive business applications were accessible through secure gateways, and access logs were sent to a centralized SASE. The company saw improved security posture, better performance, and reduced administrative overhead. Another organization with a remote-heavy workforce used SASE to implement zero-trust network access. Employees could only reach internal tools after passing device health checks, multi-factor authentication, and geolocation verification. These controls replaced traditional network segmentation and VPN policies, offering stronger security with fewer operational hurdles. As with any technology, SASE comes with considerations. Organizations must choose providers carefully, understand their architectural footprint, and ensure data residency and compliance requirements are met. Integration with identity providers, SASE platforms, and endpoint protection tools is also essential for a successful deployment. As you prepare for the Security Plus exam, understand how SD-WAN and SASE differ in focus and function. SD-WAN improves connectivity, policy enforcement, and visibility across distributed networks. SASE unifies those benefits with full-spectrum security controls, identity-based access, and cloud-native delivery. You may be asked to compare architectures, recommend a model for securing remote work, or identify how these tools support zero-trust and secure application access. Focus on scalability, policy consistency, and risk-based access control as your architectural anchors. Thanks for joining us for this episode of the Bare Metal Cybersecurity Plus podcast. For more episodes, tools, and study support, visit us at baremetalcyber.com. And before you take the test, make sure to check out the practice questions in the book Achieve CompTIA Security Plus SY0-701 Exam Success by Dr. Jason Edwards. They cover every domain and are a powerful way to lock in your knowledge.